So part of Athena Institute, in addition to this research, is also innovation, experimentation, design. One of the things I think we were most excited about is we had this vibe coding lab. And if you don't know what that is, generative AI allows product developers, user experience designers, and general users to develop actual workflows and software on the fly and code front-end prototypes very quickly. Now, it's a little bit different than a full, all the way scaled with a back-end product, but allows ideas to be formulated and seen and interacted with. So as part of our Athena Institute Innovation Lab, we're actually able to deploy our team using this vibe coding technique to sketch out new product ideas in virtually real time with our clients. I think it's one of the most exciting areas of partnership and a really cool use of AI to think about, what might be possible in the future from a workflow, capability, product innovation basis to improve care.
And it was actually, there were 20 plus prototypes that were created on the spot. And one of the things I loved is one of the doctors who did the vibe coding on day one and had created a prototype. He'd been thinking about it all night, and he came back and he's like, I have more ideas. And so he got to build on it the very next day. So, I mean, that is innovation in action, that real time. He got to hands-on, work with that and got to build on it over a 2-day, 24-hour period.